So ladies and gentlemen, we want to learn how to differentiate this, right? So before we can differentiate this, we have to apply the natural log on both sides. So we have right here ln y is equal to ln x or x. So this drops down, and so we are going to have ln y is equal to x ln x, right? So this we cannot differentiate. So when you differentiate this, you're going to y, this right here is equal to 1 ln x plus x times 1 over x, right? And then we have y prime for y is equal to ln x plus this cancels this, and we have 1 right here, right? So we can say that the first derivative of this is ln x plus 1 multiplied by y. But our y was giving us x power x. So we say that y prime is equal to ln x plus 1, then x power x. And that is the solution to this particular problem. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Please don't forget to press on the notification bell and subscribe, and I'll give you more gist in calculus.